Hey there, TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So Carol over at Bling It with Rhinestone Silhouette crew had a question as far as one of our download files. Any of our files that you download from the website are all color separated for you. So she wanted to know what's the easiest way in Corel Draw, because we know we have a lot of new Corel users out there, as far as getting that broken apart and color separated file all back together to be able to make a mock-up of it. So we're going to show you how easy that is in Corel without the TRW Stone Wizard, and then also how easy it is with the wizard, just so you guys can make your own mock-ups and make them look good. So as you can see, this one is our tier design we released the other day. So it has 3 different templates because it's a 3-color design. So as you can see, when we zoom in here, all of these are individual. So it's all broken apart right now. And all you have to do is arrange it, send to your cutter. But what we want to do is we want to get it all back to one piece. So very easy to do. Just highlight all of this box, and we're going to go ahead and go to Arrange and then Group, or Control G. I like to use Control G. So that one's done. We'll go here, Control G. We'll go here, Control G. So now you can see they're all grouped files. So now what we need to do is get them back together. So we want to choose the different colors we're going to use. So let's say this one we want to be hot pink, this one blue, this one black. So we got our 3 colors there. Highlight it all, hit P, and the letter P centers them all together. Now what we want to do is we kind of want to go Arrange, Ungroup, or Control U is the shortcut. And now they're all broken apart. So now the only thing we need to do, because we line these all up perfectly for you for the templates, is click on the top one, delete, next one, delete, next one, delete, and you have your perfect design all set up for you to put on a mock-up. So you can now, if you want, import an image or a blank picture or bag or something to throw this onto a mock-up. So now I'm going to show you another way to do it also in the TRW Stone Wizard. So of course you all know how easy it is to make your template. So even when you're back to this stage right here, you're like, oh no, now how do I separate them back apart? So we got our templates, and we can create our TRW Magic templates, and that's done. All the templates are already done. So we can highlight here, let's bring it down here, and in the future, once we release the wizard, we're going to start creating our files and attaching them like this. That way it'll just, again, it saves you a couple minutes of time is money in your pocket. So we're going to start creating them to where the design is going to come through completed like it is right here, and then it's going to have its color separations as well, just to make it easier on you. So let's go ahead and get rid of this, because that's our end result of what we're going to do. So all of our older files are going to be like this. So we're just showing you how to get those back into that original design real quick. So we're going to go over to our Edit tab in the wizard, and let's go ahead and highlight this. And down here we're going to group it. Highlight this one, group, highlight this one, and group. We're going to pick our colors. So let's say we want the megaphone to be the hot pinkle, and when you select the colors like this, it'll help you in your design later. Let's say this one we want to be jet black, and this one we want to make citrine. So we got our 3 colors there. Highlight all those. We got our Align Objects tool right here. If you click the main button, it'll just center everything. So let's just align our objects. They're all centered. Hit the Ungroup button right here. They're all ungrouped. And then let's just click delete, click delete, click delete, and everything's perfect. So you can see how easy it is to get those templates when they're made right back to where they need to be. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get the actual image. So what we want to do first is, let's just, and depending on your layout, you can always change the layout in Corel Draw. So a good thing to do is to change your page setup. And let's just say if you're cutting with 12-inch material, let's go to 12 inches wide. And then it'll get your width here to where you're seeing. So if I highlight this design here, let's throw it right in the middle of the actual page there, and we're going to show you a mock-up. So we're going to go over to our mock-ups here, highlight it all. Let's throw it on a white regular shirt. So let's just click there on our mock-up. It's going to highlight it all, and there you go. So now what also is going to happen, and that's what we're working on right now, is this is going to pop up right here, and it's going to pop up right in the middle in the perfect spot to where you can type your description. So if I wanted to name this one, I could name it Carol Cheer Superpower. And you can name it whatever you want for your website or customer or anything you want, or you can just delete it and not name it anything. It's also going to have, again, your breakdown of all your stone sizes, your count, your dimensions, your logo. And then what you can also do is we added a new feature where you don't even have to break this all apart. That way you're not moving things around by mistake. If you want to, you could just hold Control and click it. That's going to be the background. And click it again, and that's going to be the shirt. So we wanted this to be a blue shirt. There you go. If you wanted to be a white shirt, orange shirt, so whatever color shirt you want it to be, you can easily change it to the shirt color you want. But very cool feature with our mock-ups, and I'm sure that's why some of you are wanting to learn how to bring some of our older files back together to be able to create your mock-ups, because once you have the wizard, this is how easy it's going to be to be able to create those awesome mock-ups. So hope this helped you all out. Hope this answered your questions, Carol, as far as what you were looking for. But if you guys do have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. Any of your rhinestone supplies or needs, we have them over at the website at www.therhinestoneworld.com. Again, this is Matt with therhinestoneworld.com, and you guys all have a great day.